On this short quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger loading. So first thing, open the settings and then go to the apps, and now you have to wait a few seconds on this page. It will start loading the apps that you have. As you can see, scroll until you find the Messenger and click on it, and then click on force stop, click on storage, click on clear data and wait a few seconds. After that, click on clear cache and then go to the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back to the settings on your phone, open the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode, and after 5 seconds just disable it. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.